Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's talk about what are the barriers which are faced when we want to uptake any biotechnologically derived entity or agent for everyday use. We have talked a lot about that there are so many different products which are being created, being synthesized by using different biotechnological means. However, not every product is easy to use. However, not every product is feasible to be used due to the cost and effectiveness of that product. The pollution of many inland and coastal water around the world is well appreciated problem. हमें पता है कि जितनी भी पोल्यूशन है एनवायरनमेंट में उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न जो है वो आता है ड्यू टू द बर्निंग ऑफ द फॉसिल फ्यूल्स एंड द पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स एज वेल. स्पेशली कोस्टल एरियाज में स्पिलेज काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिपोर्ट होती हैं. So what we want to do is that we want to have some alternate which could be easily degraded and which could not have such a toxic effects on the environment. So as we are talking about different biological alternates, such alternates are also available for different petrochemical products as well. In case of biolubricants, cost is a major issue. हमने शुरू में यही बात की कि अपटेक करने के लिए कि कोई भी जो एंड यूज़र है वो बायोलॉजिकली डिराइव्ड प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दे, उसमें जो मेजर एक हर्डल है वो कॉस्ट है कि उसकी कॉस्ट कितनी है और उसका जो एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट थी जो कि केमिकली डिराइव्ड थी उसकी कॉस्ट कितनी है. Obviously, no user will like to buy a much expensive product when an inexpensive product is available. Though inevitably users need to be convinced of the deliberate commercial benefits, the potential market is enormous. Obviously, hurdles are there, lekin potential scope is there as well. With every passing day, more and more awareness is there. लोगों को ज़्यादा शऊर आ रहा है कि they should start using the products which have much less negative impact on the environment. Moreover, with every passing day, there is so much research and development going on in this sector, and the price difference between the biologically derived products and the chemically synthesized products is almost narrowing down. Now, the petrochemical industry has sought to meet the growing demand for more environmentally friendly products by developing biodegradable lubricants based on crude oil. अब ये क्या कर रहे हैं जितनी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं जो कि पेट्रोकेमिकल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, what they are trying to do is that वो बायोलॉजिकली derived पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स बनाना चाह रही हैं ताकि जो उनकी जो हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स हैं एनवायरनमेंट में वो कम से कम हो. हाउ दे कैन डू दैट बाय टेकिंग अप बाय यूजिंग क्रूड ऑयल and then trying to convert it to the final product biologically. However, with the agriculture sector, particularly through Europe, being encouraged to grow non-food crops commercially, there is a clear opportunity for a sizable vegetable oil industry to develop. Basically, vegetable oil को ही लेके वो convert करेंगे into some other type of oil and lubricant through biological mean. So vegetable oil कहाँ से बनेगा? We need certain types of vegetation for that. So you can see here, especially in Europe, non-crop products को बहुत फेवर किया जा रहा है कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वहाँ पे क्रॉप की जाएँ, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो उगाए जाएँ. तो उससे क्या होगा? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बायोमास अवेलेबल होगा to make certain types of oils which can be later on converted to certain lubricants through biological means. However, as we are talking about different hurdles, not only cost and effectiveness is there, but the machinery that will be able to use such lubricants, the production of that machinery is also there as well. क्या जो machinery already available है क्या उसमें biolubricant भी apply हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता? So we have to consider that as well. Machinery जितनी भी है जो कि high tech machinery है that is expensive. So not every manufacturer is willing to apply biolubricants to their machinery. Second, not every manufacturer is willing to give guarantee that if you apply any biolubricant, my machinery will still work 100% effectively. So these hurdles are there as well. So you can see here that production is one thing, application is another thing, and commercial aspects are something more. So all these things impose hurdles when we talk about uptaking any biotechnological entity or agent in everyday usage life. So this was about the barriers to uptake biotechnological products. I will see you in next lessons.